Welcome to Cabin 1574, a grand suite aboard the Mariner of the Seas. The suite is located on Deck 10 and it sleeps up to 4 guests, featuring a royal king bed that can convert into two twins and a double sofa bed. The living area includes a sofa with two chairs and a coffee table, bar area, coffee maker, robes, mini safe, and plenty of closet space and a makeup desk area near the bed. There's also a connecting door perfect for families or groups traveling together. Step out onto the private 88 square foot balcony, accessible from both the living room and bedroom, featuring two chairs with a table and two loungers, perfect for enjoying fresh ocean air and breathtaking sea views. The bathroom is a luxurious retreat with double sinks, a large soaking tub, and a shower combo, offering comfort and style at sea. With 381 square feet of living space, this suite combines elegance, convenience, and unforgettable ocean views. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more cruise cabin tours and travel adventures.